Breaking news is happening right now from the White House. And this is absolutely massive for every American citizen because President Trump has just signed off on double $2,000 stimulus checks, which means you're getting $4,000 instead of the original amount. Plus Social Security and SSDI recipients are getting an additional $600 monthly boost on top of their regular benefits starting immediately. Can you imagine receiving $4,000 in stimulus money plus an extra $600 every single month if you're on Social Security or disability? Do you realize this could be the largest financial relief package in American history? And it's all happening faster than anyone expected? Are you prepared for this game-changing announcement that's about to put thousands of dollars directly into your bank account? This isn't speculation or rumors, this is an official policy that Trump just approved. And I'm about to break down exactly when you'll receive your money, how much you're getting, and what this means for your financial future starting right now. Before we dive into these incredible details that could change your life, you absolutely must hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications, because this channel brings you the most up-to-date information on stimulus payments, Social Security benefits, and government relief programs that put real money in your pocket. You cannot afford to miss any updates about these massive payments. So subscribe immediately and let's explore how this historic announcement is about to transform your finances. The announcement came directly from the Oval Office after President Trump met with Treasury Secretary and congressional leadership to finalize the details of what's being called the most comprehensive economic relief package ever implemented by a sitting president. What makes this development so extraordinary is the speed at which these enhanced payments have been approved and the substantial increases that go far beyond what most political analysts predicted would be possible in the current economic and political climate. The decision to double the stimulus checks from $2,000 to $4,000 represents a dramatic escalation in the administration's commitment to providing meaningful financial relief to American families who have been struggling with inflation, rising costs, and economic uncertainty. Trump's signature on this enhanced relief package signals a recognition that previous stimulus amounts, while helpful, were insufficient to address the magnitude of financial challenges facing ordinary Americans across the country. What's particularly remarkable about this announcement is the inclusion of a separate $600 monthly boost specifically targeted at Social Security and SSDI recipients, acknowledging that seniors and disabled Americans face unique challenges that require sustained, ongoing support rather than just one-time payments. This monthly enhancement represents the first time that Social Security recipients have received targeted stimulus relief that provides continuous monthly assistance beyond their regular benefit payments. The $4,000 stimulus payment will be distributed to eligible Americans using the same income thresholds and family structure considerations that have guided previous stimulus distributions, but with enhanced speed and efficiency that builds on lessons learned from earlier payment programs. Are you wondering if you qualify for the full $4,000 payment? Individual taxpayers earning up to $75,000 annually will receive the complete amount, while married couples filing jointly can earn up to $150,000 and still qualify for the full stimulus payment. The phase-out structure for higher-income earners has been adjusted to ensure that more middle-class families benefit from this enhanced relief, with partial payments available for individuals earning up to $100,000 and married couples earning up to $200,000. This expanded eligibility range reflects the administration's recognition that financial stress has extended into income brackets that weren't necessarily struggling during previous economic downturns but are now feeling the pressure of sustained inflation and increased living costs. Families with dependents will see even more substantial benefits under this enhanced stimulus program, with each qualifying child adding $1,000 to the base $4,000 payment amount. This means a family of 4 with 2 children could receive up to $6,000 in total stimulus payments, representing a significant injection of resources that could address everything from back-to-school expenses to holiday costs and essential household needs that may have been postponed due to financial constraints. The Treasury Department has been working around the clock to prepare payment systems for this massive distribution, and initial payments are expected to begin appearing in taxpayer accounts within the next 7 to 10 days. The accelerated timeline reflects both the urgency of providing relief and the improved efficiency of government payment systems that have been refined through multiple stimulus distribution experiences over recent years. Direct deposit recipients who have current banking information on file with the IRS should expect to see their $4,000 payments arrive first, with electronic transfers typically processing faster than paper checks or prepaid debit card distributions. Are you concerned about whether your banking information is current with the IRS? The agency has activated special online portals that allow taxpayers to verify and update their direct deposit information to ensure smooth payment processing. The separate $600 monthly boost for Social Security and SSDI recipients represents a groundbreaking approach to addressing the ongoing financial pressures faced by America's seniors and disabled citizens. Unlike one-time stimulus payments, this monthly enhancement will continue for an extended period, providing sustained relief that recognizes the persistent nature of increased costs for healthcare, prescription medications, housing, and other essential needs. Social Security recipients will see this $600 monthly boost added directly to their existing benefit payments, meaning someone currently receiving $1,800 in monthly Social Security benefits will suddenly see their payments increase to $2,400 each month. This represents a substantial percentage increase that could fundamentally alter the financial circumstances of millions of seniors who have been struggling to maintain their standard of living on fixed incomes. SSDI recipients face similar challenges with fixed disability payments that haven't kept pace with rising costs, and the $600 monthly boost provides crucial additional resources for individuals whose disabilities may limit their ability to supplement their income through traditional employment. The sustained nature of this monthly enhancement acknowledges that disabled Americans often face ongoing additional expenses related to their health conditions and accessibility needs. The Social Security Administration has been coordinating closely with the Treasury Department to ensure seamless implementation of these monthly boosts, with enhanced payments expected to begin appearing alongside regular Social Security and SSDI distributions starting with the next payment cycle. Recipients won't need to take any action to receive these enhanced payments, as they'll be automatically added to existing benefit amounts. Banking institutions across the country have been notified about both the incoming $4,000 stimulus payments and the ongoing $600 monthly boosts for Social Security recipients, with financial systems updated to handle the increased payment volumes without the technical difficulties that sometimes occurred during earlier stimulus distributions. Major banks, credit unions, and financial institutions have confirmed their readiness to process these enhanced payments smoothly. The economic impact of simultaneously distributing $4,000 stimulus payments to millions of Americans while providing ongoing $600 monthly boosts to Social Security and SSDI recipients is expected to create substantial stimulative effects throughout the economy. Consumer spending typically increases immediately when families receive stimulus payments, and the sustained monthly boosts will provide ongoing support for economic activity in communities across the country. Local businesses are preparing for increased consumer activity as families use their $4,000 stimulus payments for both essential needs and purchases that may have been postponed due to financial constraints. Restaurants, retail establishments, service providers, and local contractors often see immediate benefits when stimulus payments are distributed, creating a multiplier effect that extends economic benefits beyond the direct recipients. The healthcare sector anticipates significant impacts from both the stimulus payments and monthly boosts, as many families have postponed medical care, dental work, prescription medications, and other health-related expenses due to cost concerns. The combination of immediate $4,000 payments and ongoing monthly enhancements for Social Security recipients could enable many Americans to address healthcare needs that have been financially out of reach. Housing stability represents another area where these enhanced payments could have profound effects, with families using stimulus money to catch up on rent or mortgage payments, address necessary home repairs, or avoid eviction proceedings that have threatened many households. The monthly boosts for Social Security recipients provide ongoing resources that could help seniors remain in their homes and maintain housing stability. Transportation needs often become more pressing when families have additional financial resources, and many recipients are expected to use portions of their stimulus payments for vehicle repairs, maintenance, or replacement that enables reliable transportation for work, healthcare, and family responsibilities. The enhanced monthly payments for Social Security recipients could also support ongoing transportation costs that are essential for maintaining independence and community connections. The timing of these payments, arriving as families prepare for holiday expenses, winter heating costs, and the financial pressures that typically accompany the end of the calendar year, provides crucial relief when it's needed most. Are you already planning how you'll use your $4,000 stimulus payment and potential $600 monthly boost? Financial advisors are recommending that recipients consider both immediate needs and longer-term financial stability when deciding how to utilize these enhanced payments. Congressional leaders from both parties have expressed support for the enhanced relief package, recognizing that economic challenges have affected Americans across demographic and geographic lines. The bipartisan nature of support for these payments reflects the widespread recognition that government intervention is necessary to address economic pressures that market forces alone haven't been able to resolve. State and local governments are preparing for the economic impacts of these enhanced federal payments, with many jurisdictions expecting increased tax revenues from enhanced consumer spending and reduced demand for local assistance programs as federal relief provides resources that may reduce reliance on community-based support services. The administrative complexity of simultaneously processing millions of $4,000 stimulus payments while implementing ongoing $600 monthly boosts for Social Security recipients represents a massive undertaking for federal agencies. But improved systems and experience from previous relief programs have created capabilities that enable efficient large-scale payment distribution. As we prepare for the arrival of these enhanced payments, it's important to recognize that this represents more than just individual financial relief. It's a comprehensive approach to economic stabilization that acknowledges the interconnected nature of personal financial health and broader economic stability. The success of this enhanced relief program will be measured not just in payments distributed, but in the economic recovery and stability it helps create across American communities.